model in the model view controller pattern is the component that is responsible for providing an interface to data sources and encapsulating the business rules in an MVC application. To be consistent with the principle of separation of concerns, views and controllers should have no knowledge of where the application's data is stored, if there is even a persistent storage for the data, and the business rules on which the application is based. Instead, views and controllers interact with the model and let the model handle those details. Most real-world MVC applications will typically make use of some sort of data that is stored somewhere, usually in a relational database such as SQL Server or Oracle, or at the very least, XML files stored on a server somewhere. No matter what the storage is, the model will contain some kind of data access layer to read and write data for the application. Similarly, all non-trivial applications always have some kind of business rules. The model encapsulates all of this data and these rules. Unlike a controller or view in an ASP.NET MVC application, a model is not a model because it implements a specific interface or inherits from some framework class, or even because the class definition file is in the models folder. Instead, one or more classes are models because of the role they play in the application. This gives you enormous flexibility in how you implement a model. A model could be a simple class that works with data generated during a single session of an application, destroying the data when a user signs off. Or it could be a complex set of classes generated by Entity Framework to provide an object relational mapping to a relational database with hundreds of tables, or just about anything in between. But at its core, a model is just a class that lets the controller interact with data and provide data to a view.